Hey guys, let me use my popsicle. Hey guys, it's me Madison, and I know I haven't been making a lot of videos, and I'm gonna show you my slime that I made in class. And I'm gonna give out to a shout out to Jasmine, my friend, Amaria, my friend, Faith, my friend, who else? Let's see. Avila, my friend, Kishana, my friend, Alicia, my friend, Ali, my friend, and I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. But if I did not call you, please put it in the comment down below. And like I said, yeah. So I'm gonna show you my sign that I made in class, and it's super excited. I do not have school today, or I did not have school Friday, but I had school Thursday. Thursday was the last day, and just wanna thank you for watching my videos. I appreciate it, and I will try to give you something. So I'm gonna show you my slime. Jasmine made the same slime as me. She made blue slime, and we had to put shaving cream. We did a lot of stuff, but I'm gonna tell you what we did last time. We got to put shaving cream on our desk, and we rolled our slime around it. And I know you can see my slime, but and now it's fluffy slime, and it smells really good, like just a little tiny bit, but yeah. So I'm gonna smell it, and I'm gonna play with it, and we'll probably do something else. So yeah. Oh my god. Oh good. And my phone, I can make stuff out of it. So like, I'm gonna put it on the bottom of my phone, and I'll show you what it makes. This is all the stuff on the bottom of my phone. My headphones and my charger thing, and like okay. So now I'm gonna do the top. Oop. Okay. Oh, this is the top. That was it on my top. Wait, could you hear it? Can you see it? That was it on my top. Now I'm gonna do this side. Hope it does not turn it off. Okay. Okay, this is all on the left side. I'm at the right side. We're gonna do it on the top. I know you cannot see me. Okay. This is what it looks like on the top. Here's these. What's me? And now I'm gonna do this part, like where my volumes are, and this is where my volumes are at. And you might not be able to see me. Oh, you can see me only from right here. So I'm gonna do it in the back. And this is what it looks like in the back. And then I'm gonna do my pop socket. And my pop socket has a big flower on it, and it's orange and a little bit of pinkish and a little bit of purplish. And if you're looking at that picture, that's me and my dad, and it says spoiled, and it has balls around it and some diamonds around it. And yeah, so and Jasmine and all the other friends that I called. This is my grandma's house. I really wanted to show you guys, and I'll show you the Christmas tree if I can. You guys see the Christmas tree? Now I gotta go up to it. This is the Christmas tree. She has presents everywhere, my grandma. If you cannot see it, right there. So yeah, this is outside. Her house. Let's bring it this way. This is her truck, and I'm not gonna say where we live. And this, and I'll tell you what it says. The Lord bless you, the Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make His face shine upon and be great, whatever to you. The Lord turn his face towards you and give you peace. Numbers 6 through the 24th or the 20 and the 26th. And yeah. So yeah, you're done. Jasmine being agree keeping it. I've been taking care of my time. Yeah. Emma isn't okay. She's a little bit sick, and yeah. I'm gonna shoot my house, and yeah. Okay, wait a second, cause looks like somebody's coming. Okay, good, they're not coming there. I'm not gonna show my room, and I'm just gonna show you my room. So, my room. This one's right there. Okay, so my room looks like this. My dresser. Oh, and that's not a real phone. My chalkboard, and this says wake them up, the big girls, get them dressed, feed or give them their bottles, brush their teeth, pack their book bag, take them to school, say goodbye, get the little ones up, get them dressed, feed them or give them their bottles, brush their teeth, fun time, go get the girls from school. Yeah, so this is my bed. Oh, you can't really see it. That's my bed. So yeah. I'm gonna please say push it in the comments. Okay, I just sneezed. Listen me. Please don't say that in the comments. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys some stuff around the house. If you're wondering who did my hair, it's my cousin. And you guys, I went to a game yesterday, and it was Cross and Timberland. And Timberland, they won all except for the elementary schools. Timberland didn't win for the elementary schools, but they won the rest of them, and I was so happy. But I went for Cross and Timberland, but I had to go for Cross. But then I said no, I have to go for Timberland because I said it depends on who wins the whole game, and it was like a little tie. So I had to pick both of them. I told my brother, but he never texts back. I told him last night and he never texts back. Yeah, my brother's name is, never mind, I should tell you. So, yeah, guys. Okay, bye guys. I'm gonna give a shout out to Smelly Belly TV. Thanks for commenting on my videos. Bye. AKA Dab on it. I shouldn't really say that. Let's just say dab on it. Everybody wants you to dab on it now.